Hello friend, today we are going to discuss a function which is known as split data function. Right now you can see we have some person name written in this column, right, along with the state, abbreviation and capital. Okay, now I want to split this data based on the person name, which means that I want separate sheet for each of this person name. Now to do that, what I need to do, first I will have to create a pivot out of this data, right? So I will go to insert and create a pivot table and I click on OK, right? So in the filter option, let me know if you can see this, or let me bring it here. Okay, so in the filter option we will put the person name, right, and in values we will again put the person name like this, and that is all what we need to do, right? Once we are done with this, the next step what we have to do is to go to pivot table analyze, and over here you can see there is an option, right, which says show report filter pages, right? So when you click on show report filter pages, it will give an option show all report filter pages of person name, because person name is something that we have chosen in our filter, and I will say OK, right? So as I click on OK, you can see separate tabs for Andrew, Jason, Sean, Tim are created here, right? Now what I need to do, I will go to my Excel Tailor tool and create a sheet index out of it, right? So once I created the sheet index, the next step I have to go to Excel Tailor and click on this split data, right? And it is asking me select range, so I will select Andrew, Jason, Sean and Tim, and I click on OK. Now it is asking me that whether I want the output in table format or in range format. So I just want to keep my output in range format, so I will press no. So as I press no, you can see all my data, like with person name Andrew, right, is displayed in the worksheet with name Andrew. For Jason, my data is displayed for the person Jason over here, for Sean over here, and for Tim over here. So this is how you can split your data based on the column headers. Now if you have any queries, you can write to us on our email, right? Thank you so much. Have a nice day.